In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Dropbox cache. This quick cleanup can fix odd sync issues, remove temporary files, and free up a bit of space without touching your actual Dropbox files. Think of the cache as Dropbox's scratchpad. It stores temporary data to speed things up. Over time, that scratchpad can get messy, and clearing it gives Dropbox a clean slate. We'll do this on Windows using a built-in shortcut. Start on your desktop, press the Windows key and the R key at the same time to open the Run dialog. If you're not sure, the Windows key is the one with the Windows logo on your keyboard. The Run box is the fastest way to jump straight to the hidden cache folder without digging through menus. Next, copy and paste this exact path into the Run box. %home path fans Dropbox cache. Make sure you include everything, including the dots and backslashes. When you're ready, press enter. File Explorer will open directly inside Dropbox's special cache folder. You'll know you're in the right place if the address bar ends with .dropbox.cache. It's important to stay in this folder so you don't delete anything from your actual Dropbox files. Now select everything inside the folder. The easiest way is to press Ctrl and A together to highlight all files and folders. With everything selected, press the delete key. Windows will move these items to the recycle bin. This won't affect your synced files or anything stored in your Dropbox account. It only removes temporary data that Dropbox can safely recreate. If you want to reclaim disk space immediately later on, you can empty your recycle bin, but that's optional and separate from this process. If you see a message saying some files are in use and can't be deleted right now, don't worry, that just means Dropbox is actively using a temporary file. You can skip those items for the moment, or try again after pausing Dropbox or closing it briefly, then repeat the same steps. Also, if the folder looks empty, that's fine. There may not be any cache to clear right now. Once the files are deleted, you're done. Dropbox will rebuild a fresh cache as needed, and any lingering glitches related to temporary data should be resolved. If you had a large cache, it may take a moment for the deletion to complete. After this cleanup, keep using Dropbox as usual. There's nothing else you need to change. That's it. Quick, safe, and effective. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you clear the Dropbox cache on your Windows computer.